What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I was cleaning up around here and I found this cross that I wanted to mess with the other day. These crosses come separated like this. They have a nice, fun wire right in the middle. This piece is about 24 inches long. So I'm going to make sure I get it right in the center. There we go. Y'all, this wire we're going to use to wrap it around. All right, y'all, look how big this thing is. It's huge. So it's a full 36 inches, 36 by 24. Y'all, my favorite part about these is how simple they are to make. Don't tell anyone. It'll be our little secret. All right, so we've got some greenery. Let's tear that apart into whatever pieces. So it wants to go to 4 pieces. Y'all, we're gonna do this one a light pink. Wire cutters. All right, and then I pulled in this one just because I wanted a little bit more greenery. So y'all, this one only has a really good break point in 2 pieces, which is okay. So if you're looking at this and you don't know what size bow that you would want to add on it, take your easy bow maker and literally put it on there. This is the center of your bow. The loops you can see, right? So on this one, I'm probably going to start with about 5.5 to 6 inch loops to get a nice size bow right in there. Y'all, I want to get a pretty long ribbon tail down at the bottom. All right, let's do about 6 inches. All right, so we've got our 6-inch X. Let's go with another layer, slightly smaller, about 5.5. All right. So we did 2 loops, 1 loop. Y'all, we're going to go back over it one more time with 2, slightly smaller, once again. All right. One little center loop. And we're going to tie this off. All right, get it pulled nice and tight. Twist it off. All right, now look, that's really long. So I'm going to cut this one about right here. And add it back in the bottom to give it another tail. Right, so now I've got 3 tails in different layers. All right. Y'all, we're going to get this added right here in the center. All right, I'm going to wrap. So initially I was going to wrap it around the base this way, but I think I want to wrap it just around this piece so that I can make sure it stays up high. Like, but it needed us. All right, let's fluff our little bow out. Y'all, let's start with those greens. Y'all, this green is actually called a poppy green. I guess because it's got one little poppy in it. Oh, two, look. Get this nice and fluffed out. Now look, I want to try to get the long pieces of the greens going with the directions of the cross. The cross is 24 by 36. Y'all, and it's made with angel vine, so we can literally just work it right in there and glue it in place. I'm going to go directly opposite. All right, so look, we're carrying it from here right across the bow down here. Let's do these pieces next. Get it nice and fluffed out. All right, so this one we're gonna work right on top of this green that we have here. All right, we're gonna work this one right on top of this one. Get some glue on there and then push it in. Right? So y'all, we're working those ribbons. Y'all, get a little bit of curl in these. Y'all, now we've got these 3 sprays that we can work in. I'm going to work this one right up here. So I don't want to go too far this way, but I do want to build in some of it right this way. So this one, I'm going to go right in the top. Maybe. There we go. Right? So that some of it kind of goes this way and some of it come back this way. When that glue dries, we'll operate on a little bit more. this one straight down. All right, now with these two pieces, I want to just kind of spread them out a little bit. To make sure that we've got pink that goes from here all the way to here, and from here all the way to here. Now, in the center, I'm going to take that last one that we had and break it down into smaller pieces. All right, y'all, so I kind of just broke them all loose, and I'm going to glue these directly into the bow. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to lift the ribbon up, and right in the crease, you're going to glue it in, y'all. Y'all, I need this ribbon tail to come this way. And I need this ribbon tail to come back out. And this one to go over there. The ribbon's being wild tonight. Okay, see how these three loops are like in a row? We don't want that. We need to separate that. There we go. Nice and simple. So we just carried the pattern at an angle down the cross, right? So we can pull it, we can twist it, we can move it. So it's basically a grapevine base on a metal frame. All right, y'all, I'm out. Bye, y'all.